Okay, you guys, I think we're safe. No more boards falling on us. Anyway, we'll get right into it and multiply two vectors. So, if we want to really multiply two vectors, taking the cross product, right? We'll have to write it in a weird form, where we take the unit vectors, I, j hat, and k hat, and for our two vectors, a and b, right? We'll have ax here, ay here, az here, and b, which is equal to bx, by, bz. Right? Now, if you guys haven't had linear algebra, then taking this matrix here, this determinant, this 3 by 3 determinant is what we call this, is kind of a weird task. So let's get to work on it, right? Right? So this is how we set up multiplying two vectors, right? Two vectors, A cross B, right? We just said it's equal to I hat, J hat, K hat, AX, AY, and AZ, and BX, BY, and BZ, taking the 3 by 3 determinant matrix, right? So for our first term, we're going to get this I term here, right? And we're going to take this I term, right? And we're going to multiply, I'll write the I at the end. We're going to multiply it by AY times BZ minus AZ times BY. And this is all multiplied by I hat. Now you see what we did there? We took out this first column and took out this first row and took a 2 by 2 determinant between this submatrix of our larger matrix. Right? Now you remember from the other videos how to take 2 by 2 determinants. Now for the next term, should I use a different color? We're going to take this J hat here, right? And we're going to remove the terms that are also in this row and in this column, and we're going to set up a new matrix. So we're going to get a new matrix here, right? Of AX, AZ, BX, BZ. All times J hat. Now the only thing to remember that's special about J hat is that we're not going to add here. We're going to subtract. The J term is always negative. So we go, bam, negative 2 by 2 matrix J. Right? Now the next term, we're going to add, and we're going to do the same thing with K here. We're going to remove the terms in this column and also the other terms in this row, and we're going to set up this 2 by 2 matrix here. So we're going to get AX, AY, BX, BY. And this 2 by term determinant multiplied by K. Multiplying vectors. Thank you.